It's another nice day in London. What's up, Moody Cozy London? What have you got in store today? I never did give you a tour of the house that we stayed in London, up in Surrey. Well, here's just a glimpse of how it looks like. Apart from it being a detached house, this place was comfortable, cozy, slightly narrow from within, but brings about a sense of being homely. Here's the room that we stayed on the ground floor, where they converted this family living room into a bedroom. It had this mix of modern and colonial element with an abstract painting on the wall and a narrow rectangular window. It was more than enough. I remember these cushy stairs, pretty steep and narrow. Kids fell down here a couple of times. Nonetheless, a good place to sit and just space out. Come on, up the stairs. Let's chill. One of the rooms located upstairs. This is where my son Ryan would usually be. He never comes down till probably the next morning. Pretty well lit up. Comes with a nice view of the neighborhood. I could wake up to this every morning. This is one of the more private rooms of the house. Comes with a pretty good queen-size bed, and that ray of light coming from the window just does the trick. Cozy. I remember this creepy baby couple painting. Why was it here? Just by itself, it's kinda creepy. Now this is where the action happens. The kitchen mixed living room scenario. A memorable place where the family gets together for meals, kids going crazy running within the halls, mums having a good laugh while preparing meals. Lots of love in this area. I'll never forget that rectangular window. Just bringing that sun in. Nice. Oh yes, Rayan turned 5 in this house. Way to go, big guy. Though we would usually celebrate back in Malaysia, it so happens that his birthday was during this London trip. Nonetheless, we picked up a quick birthday cake at the nearby store and we just went for it. Happy birthday, Rayan. I vaguely remember visiting this place 20 years back. It just felt like I was here for the first time. It is by right known to be the world's most famous department store. They have the friendliest and most welcoming staff I've ever met. Everything is just so golden, but nothing captured me more than the Harrods food hall.
Pois está fazendo ano e meio, amor, que eu estive por aqui, desconfiado, sem jeito e quase calado, quando fui bem recebido e desejado por você. Pois está fazendo ano e meio, amor, que eu estive por aqui, desconfiado, sem jeito e quase calado, quando fui bem recebido e desejado por você.
There's just something about the parks in London that you may just feel like you can walk for eternity. It feels like some sort of therapy, as an escape from the everyday life. There's nothing like it. Here's us, the siblings, taking a stroll in Hyde Park in one of the evenings. I will never forget the round pond and the wide amount of space that it showed off, not forgetting the over-friendly goose and ducks. This is the perfect way to remember London. Moody weathers and welcoming parks. Well, I guess that's it for now. Thanks to those that tuned in. We'll be seeing you again very, very soon.